Hello, welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to show you how to repair a broken pallet jack handle. A pallet jack is a useful tool for moving heavy loads, but sometimes the handle can break due to wear and tear or misuse. If that happens, don't worry, you can replace it yourself with some basic tools and materials. Here's what you'll need. A new pallet jack handle with a control chain, hammer, Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, pin punch, pliers, and 10mm wrench. Before we start, make sure you have a safe and clear work area. You should not trip over any cords or tools while working on your pallet jack. Also, wear protective gloves and eyewear to avoid any injuries. Now, let's get started. The first step in repairing a broken pallet jack handle is assessing the damage. You need to determine what's broken and how extensive the damage is. In most cases, a broken handle can be repaired by replacing certain components. Here's what to look for. Check for any visible cracks or breaks in the handle. If it does, you'll need to replace the handle with a new one. Check the roll pin that holds the handle axle in place. If the pin is bent or missing, you'll need to replace it as well. Inspect the control chain that connects the handle to the foot pedal for any signs of damage or wear. If the chain is broken or loose, you'll need to adjust it later. Ensure the foot pedal and other control components are functioning correctly. Once you've assessed the damage, you can move on to the repair and replacement process. Now, let's dive into the steps to replace a broken pallet jack handle and its components. We'll walk you through the entire process. First, pull the handle down and insert the flathead screwdriver into the holes that are in the pump body. This will lock the handle in place and prevent it from springing back. Make sure to do this carefully to avoid any accidents. Use your punch to drive out the roll pin at the bottom of the handle. This pin secures the handle in place, so removing it is crucial for the repair. You may need to use some force to get it out. Be careful not to damage the pump body or the axle. Once the pin is out, disconnect the control chain from the foot pedal. Push down on the foot pedal to make it easier to access the chain. Once you have access, pull out the chain from the handle axle. Slip the handle axle out and remove the old handle from the pallet jack. Discard it or keep it for spare parts. Grab the control rod at the bottom of the new chain. Spin the jam nut about halfway up the control rod. This will help with the installation. To install the new handle, you'll need to reverse the steps you did before. Set the new handle inside the pump. Slide in the axle, but not all of the way. Leave some space for the chain. Drop the control chain through the handle axle and fully install the axle from step 6, all the way. This ensures the handle is securely in place. Make sure it goes through both sides of the pump body. Replace the roll pin that secures the axle into place. Ensure it's snug and well seated. Use your punch and hammer to drive it in firmly. Connect the chain to the foot pedal, release lever. Turn the jam nut down on top of the pedal finger tight. This will secure the chain and prevent it from slipping off. Finally, pull the handle down and remove the screwdriver that was holding it in place. This step is crucial to release the pressure and allow the pallet jack to function properly. Now that you have installed your new handle, you need to test it and make sure it works properly. Lift and lower your pallet jack using both foot pedal and handle lever. Check if they respond smoothly and correctly. If not, you may need to adjust your control chain. To adjust your control chain, loosen or tighten jam nut on control rod until you get desired tension. You don't want it too loose or too tight. A good rule of thumb is to have about ½ an inch of slack in your chain when your pallet jack is fully lowered. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced a broken pallet jack handle. With the right tools and a little know-how, you can keep your warehouse equipment in top-notch condition. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now, before we wrap up, I would like to introduce you to our dedicated platform, PalletJackson.com. A comprehensive solution for all your pallet jack maintenance requirements, our website is a hub for premium quality parts across a diverse range of makes and models. From hydraulic components to electrical parts, load support systems, and other crucial accessories, we provide them all at the most competitive prices in the market. I would recommend to browse our category of control handle parts, and you will get everything you may need to replace your pallet jack handle. Make Pallet Jackson your go-to resource for every pallet jack needs. The link to our website is in the description. Please make sure to visit. Until then, thank you once again for watching, and see you next time. Ciao.